This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework, AP Physics, Homework 9.1, question number 11. 4-point charges, each of magnitude 12.83 microcoulombs, are placed at the corner of a square 94 centimeters on a side. So I've got a square and I've got 4. So I've got Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. It doesn't matter what order you do them in right now. If 3 of the charges are positive and 1 is negative, find the magnitude of the force experienced by the negative charge. I'll say that this one's negative and these are all positive. Well, this tells me positive to this one. That'll give a force down. I'm going to draw a free body diagram of this charge over here. So this positive will push this one down. This positive will push this one, I'm sorry, not pull, I'm attracting, so I can just draw it up here. Negative and positive. This negative is pulled up by that positive, it's attracted to that one, and it's attracted to that one. So I've got these 3 forces that I have to add like vectors. I want the magnitude of the force. Well, since all my charges are the same, I know that this one and this one, so these 2, will add and give me a vector up, and then I can add that vector to this vector and get my final answer. So if I find the force, this is Q1 and Q4, so the force between charges 1 and 4 is going to be K Q1 Q4 over R squared. Here my R is 94 centimeters or 0.94 meters. So all of them, these 2 distances are going to be 0.94 meters. This distance is going to be A squared, B squared, C squared, so that's going to be 0.94 times the square root of 2. So that'll be this distance. So this is going to be the tricky one. So if I find this force, then that's going to be the same as this force, magnitude, between 3 and 4. So the force between 3 and 4 is going to be the same as the force between 1 and 4. And then if I do an A squared plus B squared equals C squared on these 2, I can get the resulting force in that direction. Then I've got to find out my other force between 2 and 4. So my force between 2 and 4 is going to be K Q2 Q4 divided by the distance between 2 and 4 squared. And so that distance, the distance between 2 and 4 is going to be, let's see, that squared is going to be 0.94 squared plus 0.94 squared. So you can do a Pythagoras on those, but I'm looking for R squared here anyway. So it's a little bit of math, but when you get an answer of that one also will be pointed in that same direction towards this Q2. So if you have this magnitude and this magnitude that you figured out, you can just add those 2 together. So a little bit of trig, a little bit of adding. I trust you to do the rest. These will be pointing in the same direction because these 3 charges are all the same. If they weren't the same, then I don't know what direction it was pointing. I would have to do some more math with that one.